everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see from the thumbnail, I am going to be making this really beautiful freestyle set. So I'm actually starting off with my almond nail tips. I already went ahead and buffed them, and then I put my base coat and I cured it. And then after that, I am now going in with an ombre. I decided to go in with this really pretty sunset type of vibe, like light pink with orange color. And I actually did get inspo for this set. I saw a set by another creator and immediately knew that I wanted to recreate something similar to that. It is like one of the most beautiful nail sets I've seen in a long time. And honestly, it is just like so pretty. So I'm going to show you guys what my inspo was. So it's this set right here. It is so beautiful. It is like really giving me inspo with the little frame and the roses and then the like ombre colors. So this is the set that inspired me from this creator on Instagram, and I basically did my own twist, but kind of, you know, got the same kind of idea from her or from them. So I went ahead and grabbed my sponge and I'm going in with, so first I actually wanted to put down the baby pink color because I feel like it is just so much easier for you when you do an ombre if you put the lightest color down first. Of course, you can do the darkest color first if you're doing like a certain kind of color ombre, but that goes in like certain circumstances only. But for this one, doing the light pink color first was going to be way easier because it was going to make the orange pop way better than if I was just going straight on the clear nail. So I went ahead and grabbed the colors, and I'll be showing the colors that I actually used here in a little bit. I do show it at some point, but I can't remember when. And then I also added a little bit more of an actual orange color just to make it more sunset vibes. So now at this point it has turned into almost like a 3-color ombre. But I don't need it to be too perfect because it is going to get kind of covered from these little charms. So you guys might notice these charms in a Shein haul that I did a few videos back, like I think, no, a few hauls back. I think it was like 2 hauls ago that I showed you guys these charms. And then these really beautiful pink roses are actually from my most recent haul that I just posted a few days ago. So these roses are already getting some use. They are so beautiful. They fit perfectly into these little frames. So if you guys have these little frames or you want to find these little roses, I do have these roses linked, I think, in that video, the most recent haul video that I did. And if you for some reason can't find it, just message me and I will certainly give you the link for those little flowers. They are so pretty. They look exactly like acrylic 3D flowers. They look so realistic, and I love them. So I knew I wanted to use that in this set. I basically wanted to create a set that was very elegant and like basically like rose garden type of vibes during sunset. Like that was my inspo. And then I grabbed this charm, which is the same charm that I had from the inspo photo as well. And yeah, I actually got that one from Shein, I believe, as well. And these are the 2 colors I used, Temptation and Floating from Nail Reserve. And they have the best colors. And then this color called Tenerife, I think. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but that is the color I used for the orange. And then now I'm going in with a nude color. This is, I think, called Light Pink from Beetles, and this is just a neutral nude that I'm using as the base for all of the other nails. So I'm going in with 2 coats of this color. And I feel like 2 coats is perfect. 1 coat is a little bit too sheer for my liking. I just don't like when you can see the natural nail so much underneath. Personally, I just don't like the way it looks. So I always like to make it pretty opaque for my customers, but not too opaque to where it looks weird. So yeah, here I am just going in like this. And then I just like really hope the person that ordered this freestyle ends up loving it. They did not give me any specific color or anything that they wanted, so I was really excited to be able to freestyle and have my full creative mind in on this set. Now for this middle nail, I wanted to somehow incorporate a little pop of the orange, but not so much, so I went in with just a little tiny dab on each side, on the tip and then on the bottom, just like at kind of at like an angle, just to add almost like a little bit of like an aura type of vibe in the background of the nail, because I wanted it to have a pop of orange. I didn't not want the whole nail to be nude. And then now I'm grabbing this 5-in-1 gel that I actually also ordered on Shein from my most recent Shein haul. I mentioned to you guys that it's actually really good, and it is so good. I actually really love this. I would buy it again, definitely. It is a non-wipe 3D gel, and it works really well, and it is like kind of a tiny tub, but it was really affordable, so I would totally buy it again. And I went ahead and created those little water droplets. I've been loving those lately. They look so beautiful. It just reminds me of like rose garden dewdrops, like early in the morning on a really beautiful day, like going into a rose garden and the roses still have little dewdrops from when they got watered or whatever like that. That was like my inspo. So now I'm going in and top coating once everything is nice and cured, and I did go in with some UV curing gel for the charms. And this is like the type of charms that I love, and this is like the perfect introduction to charms for somebody that never got charms before, because none of these charms really stick up that high off the nail, so it's not really difficult to work with these types of charms. Also, when I did the rose, I made sure to really fill in the glue on the inside of the little frame charm, because I wanted the rose to be very secure. Like, I wanted it to be bathing in the gel almost, to where there is no outer parts of the rose really sticking out free to get snagged on anything. So I made sure to really load up on the glue for that. And then now for the other nails, the pointer and the pinky, I'm going in with the a French tip in this really beautiful color. So I mixed together the Temptation color with a little bit of the light pink, just so that it's not so bright. I wanted it to be a little bit more muted, so I went ahead and did that. And then I'm just freehanding my French tip. Sometimes I struggle with French still to this day, so don't compare yourself to other people. It's just sometimes it's really hard, honestly, to get it so perfect. So yeah, you see me kind of going back and forth and then filling it in, and once I like where it's at, then I will move on to the next one, or I will sometimes cure it. So yeah, see here, I just wanted to fix it a little bit more, and then now I put it into cure, and then I was like still fixing it. I still didn't really love how it was looking. So after that, that's when I'm going to do the pinky, and here I am doing the pinky. And then after that, I'm going to add a few more designs, but the set is pretty much almost finished. So this is like basically what one of my freestyle sets kind of looks like. So I give like a base price depending on the difficulty of like how much work I think I'm going to put into the sets. So for example, recently I posted a character freestyle sale where I'm going to be painting characters on the nails, and I know I'm going to put my all into those characters, so I gave a really good price for those. If you're interested, you can go to my Instagram. But I also did the summer freestyle nails, which are these ones right here, and a lot of people actually ordered, and I'm so proud and very like just proud of the sets that I made for all of these freestyles. I genuinely love every single freestyle that I have made so far this summer. There's not one where I kind of left it like, oh, I could have done better. No, like I actually love every single one I've made, so I'm really proud of myself for that. And then now I'm just top coating the French. And once the French is all nice and cured, I'm going in and creating more 3D art. So I'm going in with these little lines. I don't really know what these are called, but they're trendy, of course. So I decided to go in with some of these just because they kind of tie in together with the middle nail. And I'm just using a shorter brush because the French tips are so slim that I need a little more precision rather than using a very long brush. And then, yeah, I just created those lines. And then I wanted to add just a little bit of detail on these nails as well. So I went in with a little pearl and a few caviar beads. And this is just, or like a caviar bead, I think just one of them. And this is just going to add a little touch onto those nails, but not too much. And I just love it. It looks so perfect. And I did make sure to top coat over all the pearls and everything, just because they do lose their shine. As you guys probably know, they do not hold their shine very well. So yeah, here I am showing you guys the set before it's all finished. And then now here is the finished product. This is the set in its box, and it looks so pretty. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to ship it off to my customer, and hopefully she loves it. I really hope she does, because I genuinely love the way this one turned out. And yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!